Hey guys, it's your girl J Rooks, the makeup artist. I am back with an updated video on how to fill your brows. I am realizing that now we are getting into a more natural looking eyebrow now. We're not doing the perfect dramatic Instagram eyebrow anymore. So we're kind of switching up the way we fill them and the way that we clean them up. So just stay with me for a little bit and I'm going to get right into it. Okay, so when it comes to filling in your eyebrows, you always want to make sure that you begin with a nice groom and clean brow. Then next, you want to take your spoolie and just brush the hairs up and over and down to their rightful place. The next thing I like to do is take a mattifying primer or a brow gel and to put it right on to the eyebrow. And this way it gets to lay down the brows and keep them in place. I want to go back up and over with that spoolie. So what you want to do is take a natural color. You want to do like a dark brown or a black brown. So what you want to do is still outline it. And you want to outline it the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing for the top. Okay, so I usually start right until the point where we begin to get into the arch. I don't even go all the way here because we want it to look more so natural. So I'm just going to keep outlining it till I get to the desired arch area. And then I like to take my pencil, if you're using one like this, I like to slant it and then bring it down. So that's outline. You can begin to fill it in some to the desired look that you want, but keep in mind that we are trying to accomplish a natural looking brow. So I'm going to take the pencil and just go and darken in the beginning of the brow just a bit. And at this point, you go as dark and as deep as you want to. This is how dark I want to get mine. So I'm going to brush that color in so that it can get in all the spaces that we may have missed. If there's any scarce places that we didn't get and you can't brush it in, please go back over with your pencil. Okay, now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Espresso and Fine, and I'm going to mix them to kind of get the desired color that's closer to my skin color. One is too light and one is too dark. So you're going to get a flat concealer brush. Something smaller is best because you can manipulate it better. Or you can always use a angled flat brush, or one of my favorite I'll go to is a flat liner brush. Today I'm going to show you using a flat concealer brush. So you get your product and you want to start right at the beginning. And you take your time. to get to the desired arch that you want. And I like to put it all the way past my brow. I just feel like when you do it with a concealer closer to your skin tone, then you don't have a lot of cleaning up to do, and you don't want to get that halo look, that halo effect. So this is the best way. So I'm going to take my finger and kind of bring that color down a bit. And warm it right in. And it's going to give you kind of more so of a fresh wax look. And I'm going to do the same thing and use the same colors for the top. And I like to start about here. There you have it. Let's keep blending it with your finger. And blend it well into your skin tone. So your finger is kind of used to keep like warming up the color so that it kind of like melts right into your skin. And see, the color is not too far off from my skin tone. And I'm just going for the sake of it. Just go back up and over again to make sure that they are in place. Okay, so guys, there you have it. And there's simple tips right there. You just get you a natural looking pomade, brow gel, brow pencil, or brown powder. And you just follow those simple steps and then you will have nice, groomed, natural looking brows. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.